Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are experiencing no audio or sound issues while watching videos or listening to music on Google Chrome, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to fix it in 3 simple steps. Let's get started. First, let's make sure the specific website or tab isn't accidentally muted. Look at the tab at the very top of your browser. If you see a small crossed-out speaker icon next to the site title, simply right-click the tab and select Unmute Site. Refresh the page and try playing your audio again. If the tab is unmuted but you still hear nothing, let's check your system's volume mixer settings. Minimize Chrome and locate the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Right-click the icon and select Open Volume Mixer. First, ensure your correct output device, like your primary speakers or headphones, is selected at the top. Next, scroll down to the Apps section, locate Google Chrome, and verify that the app itself is not muted and the volume slider is turned up to 100%. If your system settings are correct, the issue might be inside Chrome's built-in site permissions. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings. On the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on the Additional Content Settings and choose Sound. Ensure the default behavior is set to Sites Can Play Sound. Finally, check the Customize Behaviors list directly below to make sure your website isn't listed under Not Allowed to Play Sound. If it is, click the trash icon next to it to remove the block. Finally, restart your browser to apply all changes. If this video helped you solve the issue, please leave a like, subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward software tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.